Hey everyone, I'm Cüneyt Eser. I hope you guys having a good day. I am here again to share a review about the new coin. This is also known as meme coin. This is new and very interesting coin. This is actually my will be my favorite coin in the future. I don't know. The name of this coin is Hard Rock Nick coin. Let me show you about this coin. First of all, I want this is a website. We will talk about their website. Their website, Hard Rock Nick. Okay, where is our website? Where is the website? Yeah, as you see, this is basic website. They share 100 million coin. Then they share contract address. Then let me check their social media. Also Twitter. They have Twitter. This background so good I think basic. Then they say our platform. Now this is so baby coin. As you know, this baby coin like dog, like dog, frog, like this coin, meme coin, sometimes will be so famous in the future. Then their Discord community now for 64 followers. Then their Twitter I showed there. Let me show this coin about the token detail. They have 534 include me uh, already. Then there nobody has a too much percent coin. This Nick coin 2%, 2%. This charge, I let me show these their charge. I following per 2 or 3 days this coin. Their graphics so good. I think support so strong. Never be zero. Never destroy this graphic. Always same before, so you can see this for hours. You can see one day daily graphic also green. Also they're into the Dex tools and Dex scanner, but we can check the Dex tool on their score so good, 62 I think. Then their market cap now 240 around 1000. Then market cap now total market cap 240. 20 hours market cap 24,000. Then they have liquid also 37. This is so important, as you know. Okay, guys. I hope this video is informative for you. Let me know in the comment box if you have interest or invested or going to invest in this coin. Have a good day. See you in the next video. But be careful, like this coin, there is so risks. I never give you advice for the invest. This is just telling and searching. I will search like this coin if you subscribe to me. Bye bye.